method is all part of karate. So whenever you're coming into the dojo, you take both feet at an angle, hands by your side, and bow upon entering. This is also done at the end of the class and when you're leaving too, as a sign of respect. Seiza at the start is again feet together, slowly lowering yourself, keeping your posture. Then your left knee goes on the floor, right knee, sit back on your heels, and hands firmly on the side. To bow to the instructor at the start, you take your left hand, mirror your right hand in together, and then place on the floor, and then head just above the hands. And you can stand up. If you're ever late, you do this procedure again, but you must go around to the side of the class, bow down and wait for the instructor to call you in. It's very important as well at the start not to stand around and start talking with your mates, but you must start warming up properly and getting blood flow so that you don't get injured.